Hi, Daniel here from Ablestar. Thanks for tuning in. We didn't do a video last month, but we're back now with lots of updates to show you. The big things we'll cover this week are the ability to edit and round Shopify market prices directly in the app without having to use a spreadsheet. We've also vastly improved the way that errors are displayed to you within the app when you're running an edit. And finally, we added 2 new admin blocks which let you see the edit history and price history for products directly within the product detail pages of the Shopify Admin. Let's get started. One feature that we've had lots of requests for is the ability to bulk edit Shopify market prices without having to use a spreadsheet, and now you can do that. So once you find the products that you want to edit, we'll just go up to Edit Products, and we can search here for the different price fields. So if we want to update the EU catalog prices, we can click on that, and then we have the option to either set the fixed price or clear the fixed price, which by default would revert back to this automatic conversion. We can set the base price to be a percentage of price or some other fields. So in this case, we'll set it, say, to 90% of the USD price, and we'll do the same with the compare at price. Another cool thing you can do here is the rounding exactly how you want it. So in our cases, if we want to round, say, the whole number up to the nearest 5, we could do that. And we'll go ahead and do the same thing for the compare at price. Put that here to the nearest 5. And then down below, we see that the price will become 25 and the compare at price will be 30. Once we run that, it just takes a few seconds and the app will update the product for us, and we'll see now that the price is 25 and the compare at price is 30. You can also use our admin block to verify these prices directly in the Shopify admin without having to go over to the market section. On the product detail page, we can just go down here to European Union, and we'll see that we have the fixed prices here, and we can also view this specific product in the markets view if we need to. Another big change we've made this month is a huge overhaul to how we display errors to you in Bulk Product Editor. For example, if we had a edit like this, which sets a meta field to be some fixed text plus the product's title, and if there was a length constraint on that meta field, now you'll see the edit results that look like this. So the edits where everything completed successfully, you'll see the new value here. But if there was an error, we'll see a little icon referring to meta fields, the name of the meta field, the error from the Shopify API, and then a link, if we have it, to our documentation, kind of explaining how you can deal with the error. We're still working on adding documentation to more common error codes, but this should make it significantly easier to figure out what has gone wrong and how to fix it. In the past, if you were editing lots of meta fields made with a spreadsheet, you would just see an error that said like metafield.to.value is incorrect. And now we're trying to pull out the names and all this so you can more easily see what went wrong and fix it. Lastly, we've added 2 more admin blocks which let you view additional data directly from the Shopify admin. We've already mentioned this block that we have to edit market prices directly from the admin. The 2 ones we added are one for edit history, which will show the last time the product was edited, as well by who and what time it was at. And then also the price history, which keeps track of all changes to the price, whether done through the app or not, while the app is active. If you want either of those, you can add them here and then just pin them. And then anytime you load up a product detail page, if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see the different edits and price history that you can quickly navigate to in the app. Well, that wraps up this month's updates. If you have any questions or feedback, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll keep working on improving the app and making things easier for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.